Where you can't get it. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Kyle living and we're back with another video. You don't know, so we're back with another video. I react to with Prince Zach. You see me? We're back with another video, you see me, people? So yeah, let's get into the video right now. Which video we are?
Bam! Yeah.
We can't
react.
Bro,
Funny
we have energy. Energy, bro.
Nigga, stop.
Energy, bro.
Stop capping. Capping. You want me to bring one cap for your dog? You want me to look cap?
Play the video.
Rock with a crib.
How is this?
Bomba.
What the heck? What you do? A human chair?
In the screen.
Is that butter?
What on there?
Is that butter?
That look like butter ice cream. Look like ice
Is that
cream.
butter? Is that butter? Bro, trying to, make those a lot more consistently, bro.
Supplies handles were way too basic and they're way very.
Alright, bro, Legends, bro, we're gonna have some serious issues, bro. This is extremely offensive, what you just said, bro.
Well, supplies handles were way too basic.
Basic?
Basic. Dribbling basic.
Basic?
Well, supplies handles were way too
No,
basic.
This move right here was better than LeBron's last 6 years in the NBA, bro. I haven't seen LeBron do this move since the Cavaliers in the First of all, somebody that has basic handles will not pull
Hey,
this move off.
there I go.
I'm sorry.
You have self-confidence. No cap. LeBron GM. That have a lot of self-confidence.
I want the bomba. It's a very hard to do that. Sauce.
Come on, man.
Sauce.
Bro,
Sauce,
what is
bro.
going on?
Sauce.
My boy.
Not what I signed up for. Right here, you're gonna hear me talk. But I got hit right directly in the socket pupil of my left eye. As soon as I got hit by
When I get into the eye, your eye. Boy, it is one up.
Then get you know, suck it if I feel left eye.
Baby, I was serious lick elbow like that, brother.
Yeah.
I'm not capping or anything, bro. As hot as it went, bro.
Yeah, I'll be the capper coming. Look, man, it's to scream. Yeah, clear, LOL face, fake.
Pupil of my left eye. As soon as I got hit, bro, I'm not capping or anything, bro. As hot as it went, bro. I literally temporarily lost the vision in my left eye.
Bomba! Brother, this brother think no, brother. No, man. No, brother. If you lose, you have to guard that. They didn't, brother, if you lose the vision over their eye, because if whatever, he could even supposed to see because he won't time right now.
No, I
bro, for a
can't show
solid 10
you
minutes,
story.
bro. And I'm playing with one eye
Put
and
it.
also one knee. Imagine
Yeah.
and it's hot as hell. So when it's hot, it's harder to see with vision. Like, I literally lost temporarily my vision in my left eye, bro. So I want you guys to realize that in the toughness that I had to continue to still play.
And you guys clearly I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Is that a raccoon?
Still
No,
fast
look
as
like
fuck.
a cat.
Don't come to it.
I see a cat that jump up.
How can a cat climb a ladder like a
Brother,
human?
of
Yeah,
course.
It's with the basketball, bro. And probably like top 3 fastest in general in sports. Good shot.
Brother, be a basketball, I've been doing saying the screw up right next to brother. Be dumb, play basketball. Okay, lad. Tell me for the bullshit this the brother does too.
Come on, bro. There's no need to replay this, bro. My eye was still.
Don't believe that fire high. Don't believe that fire high, bro.
That's
My
my
eye was
house.
still temporarily blind.
Bro.
Dude, you are fucking stoned. Like, oh, is that a rooster?
Rooster.
Hold on.
Should I take picture of herself?
No. She's supposed to take picture of the game, but in the price of camera the pan.
Bomba.
Hey, talk.
Y'all know what time it is? A sheep TP
Bro!
Uganda and
What the hell?
found late at night in the water, he stumbled upon
What the hell?
horrifying lying in the middle of the road.
What the hell?
That he had to pull out his camera to document his.
Nigga, I pulled out the strap fucking camera.
I think I joke, brother.
No, but pretty soon,
Brother, I start shoot before the tears, brother.
if that day and I will do it and
Me?
yeah.
I run over that shit. Me not top.
Be honest, if that day and I the road, what you would have done?
Brother, you see me run over that
Run over it with you.
car.
Suppose you don't to work here. Suppose you don't.
Turn back and run for my life.
Suppose it run after you.
Run. I'm kill it. Don't talk about me now run, I'll kill it. If you try to attack me, I'll kill it.
We are going to kill it with your belly. Boom.
Belly pop. You know when I can't go panda, then put panda because I use it. When you don't know like master rush, master rush, you go pow! We all kill it. You don't have no strap, no
Them
car.
two, yeah.
Then probably a thumb pen, your hands start get stuck in. Top of the head, bro. Put on it.
Bro, I thought that was Simmons a Ben for a second, bro. Get blocked.
You know what I'm saying?
Look me in my fucking face right fucking now. Trayan is making that shit over
That's a
some.
big man never used to play basketball too.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
You never played yet.
And that's why me who win the basketball yeah, G, because he's like I want to do one basketball tournament
Mm-hmm.
and when we be smaller, it's like we play basketball and shit. You understand what I'm trying to say? And so winning me actually win me and he's like, back
Yes.
then me that like 5'7". I know me at 6'5". You understand? So we'll stop, isn't it? Yeah, man. But it's here.
6 fucking 10. 6 fucking 10. That's in his fucking prime. He's making that shit, bro. We're being for real. Sheesh. Oh, I thought that was Donovan Mitchell. Oh, fuck. I just fucking broke character. Fuck. Whatever. That was nice. I thought that was Donovan Mitchell, but it looked like the Jazz uniforms. Well, the Art of Jazz are playing, but it's the Grizzlies and they're fuck. That's really go wrong. Those Pacers jersey uniforms are fire.
Yeah, that was a big possession there.
Donnie Kid. Alright, you got a hazard to the nation, bro. Magic Kid. How is he inflating himself? Look at his face. Light flashed before his eyes. Is that a talking fox? You're smart. How many shots should have went in? Yeah.
Look, oh, look, this up, brother.
You're free for now.
Look this up. What it look like?
Alright, people. You have made to the end of the video. Yes, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's your boy Kai Money Living.
And your boy Prince Doc.
Yes, me.
Big up on
I
yourself.
will just react to Flightreacts. Go over his channel, go check him out. Yes, me. See.
Bang!
It's your boy Kai Money Living. Out.
Oh.